Hey there, my name is Shannon with Classy and Sassy Digital Marketing, and thank you for reviewing this quick little video where I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring more customers to your business. Oftentimes, business owners like yourself are wearing too many hats. They don't have time to focus on the things they want to, especially when it comes to learning how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local businesses owners still raising their hands and asking me to do this for them. So if by the end of this video you liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan and do it yourself, that works for me too. So let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. So with Google, they like to see about 1,500 words of content to be optimized. So you guys do have some content on here. One thing I wanted to point out too is that videos and pictures can be considered content as long as they are labeled and placed correctly. Let's look at a competitor here, they have a little bit of content too. Again, not enough to really stand out in Google's eyes. And within that content, they like to see organic keywords. Now, organic keywords are just phrases and words that individuals are searching for in your local area that points to your website. As you can see, air duct cleaning services near me has a search volume of 800 a month, and that in return can transfer into additional customers. And with that, let's take a look at some of your competitors. Dryer duct installation. So there's a lot of national keywords that they're utilizing. Like another one. Air duct cleaning Atlanta, 150 searches a month, which puts them at position 8. So that is definitely one that you'll want to utilize on your website as well, again, to drive you above your competitors. So let's also look at, let me go back here. Let's take a look at Google. So I highly recommend placing ads on Google, and you'll see the ads are up here. Google and Facebook are the best place to place ads because you just get more bang for your buck compared to Angie's List, Home Advisor, that sort of thing. And so the second thing is citations. Citations are very tedious, however, they're super simple to do. All it is your name, phone number, and address, and they're placed on a variety of directories such as Yelp, Yellow Book, that sort of thing. And the reason that that's important is because you'll want to see this map pack here. Most potential customers are going to call the first 2 to 3 services that they see in the map pack. Very rarely will they click view all. As you can see, you're number 3. You can be number 1 by highly outranking them with some of these tips. Down here is what we call the organic listings. Again, you always want to be on page 1. So now the third thing I want to talk about is backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal. As you can see, you have a ton of backlinks. However, you are not number 1 yet on Google. This competitor, let's take a look, only has 120 backlinks. But if I pull them up, I can see exactly where these backlinks are and place you guys on there as well. And now backlinks are kind of like is what we call link juice. It's one site that takes them to another site that it's linked to. So now this is where you want to be and to beat out your competition in every aspect. It simply works. Site A is pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is acting like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. It's almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. If you obtain highly effective links, for example, if you have a link that's compared to something to do with duct cleaning, then you are more effective than, say, having a link on Pizza Hut, because we know you're not slinging pizzas for a living. And the other thing I wanted to point out is the organic traffic. This is how many people are getting drove to your site is just 11. And if we look at a couple of your competitors, they're getting 34. Oops. Go back to that. And 180. So if you were to only get, say, 10% of the 180 from them, then that's 18 more customers that you are getting a month. So that's where you definitely want to be. So closing, once again, we went over content. You want at least 1,500 words of content with organic keywords, which are what people are searching for. Citations, you want to have at least 200 to 300 of those to outbeat your competitor by a landslide. Link juice, you need more relevant sites pointing to you guys to show Google that you are authority so you can become number one. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. I hope you found this video beneficial. Please send me a quick review with some tips you found useful. I want to ensure that I'm giving value to businesses that I send a custom video to. You can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own. I am totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself some time, you can give me a call at 541-1096. Again, my name is Shannon with Classy and Sassy Digital Marketing. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.